Hello and thank you for tuning into my channel. Today, we are uncovering the marvelous benefits of Moringa, a true nutritional powerhouse. Moringa, known as the miracle tree, is scientifically classified as Moringa oleifera. This remarkable plant is native to the sub-Himalayan regions of northern India, but it has since spread to various tropical and subtropical areas worldwide. Moringa's rich history dates back thousands of years, where it has been revered for its incredible nutritional and medicinal properties. In this video, we'll dive into 15 remarkable advantages, all backed by robust scientific research. Additionally, we'll provide detailed insights on how to incorporate Moringa into your daily life. However, it's crucial to remember that consulting with a healthcare professional before introducing a new supplement into your diet is a wise step. Now, let's begin our exploration. Benefit 1. Moringa is a nutritional powerhouse, boasting an array of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, calcium, and potassium. According to research in the Journal of Food Science and Technology, just one serving can provide up to 9 times the protein of yogurt and 10 times the vitamin A of carrots. Benefit 2. Moringa is a treasure trove of antioxidants containing quercetin, chlorogenic acid, and beta-carotene, which help combat free radicals, as noted in a study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology. These antioxidants protect your cells from oxidative damage. Benefit 3. Scientific research in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences has demonstrated that Moringa possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties. These properties are invaluable for individuals managing conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory diseases. Benefit 4. Blood sugar control. Moringa can play a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels. A study in the Journal of Diabetes suggests that it improves insulin secretion and sensitivity, making it a valuable addition to the diets of those with diabetes. Benefit 5. Studies published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology reveal that Moringa can reduce cholesterol levels, lowering the risk of heart disease. Its heart-healthy benefits make it a noteworthy addition to your dietary routine. Benefit 6. Moringa's ability to boost metabolism and promote weight loss is supported by a study from the Asian Pacific Journal of Cancer Prevention. This natural way to manage weight is getting recognition. Benefit 7. Moringa is an incredible immunity booster, containing immune-enhancing properties backed by research in the journal Frontiers in Pharmacology. It also helps strengthen your body's defenses. Benefit 8. Moringa aids in digestion and helps alleviate gastrointestinal issues, such as constipation and bloating, as indicated in the Asian Pacific Journal of Cancer Prevention. It is also known to promote a healthy gut. Benefit 9. Moringa's rich vitamin and antioxidant content supports healthy, radiant skin, as demonstrated in a study from the Journal of Food Biochemistry. It can also help combat skin issues and keep your skin looking youthful. Benefit 10. Moringa oil, with its high levels of nutrients and antioxidants, promotes hair growth, strengthens hair strands, and prevents hair damage. This is supported by research from the International Journal of Pharmaceutics. Benefit 11. Moringa is a rich source of essential minerals like calcium and phosphorus, which are crucial for strong bones and teeth. The Journal of Food Science and Technology highlights its role in maintaining bone health. Benefit 12. Moringa is a fantastic source of iron, making it an excellent choice for those seeking to prevent or treat anemia. Studies in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology support its iron-rich properties. Benefit 13. Moringa's high antioxidant content, including vitamin E and flavonoids, can help combat signs of aging by reducing oxidative stress and protecting your skin from environmental stressors. Benefit 14. Moringa is rich in vitamin A, an essential nutrient for eye health. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition and Food Sciences suggests that including Moringa in your diet can help prevent eye disorders. Benefit 15. Research in the Journal of Neurochemistry and Molecular Neurobiology indicates that Moringa may help reduce stress and anxiety levels, thanks to its ability to regulate stress hormones and promote relaxation. Moringa is a versatile plant, and nearly all its parts are used for various purposes. The leaves are the most commonly consumed part, rich in nutrients, and are often dried and ground into a fine powder. Moringa seeds contain valuable oil, which is extracted and utilized in cooking, cosmetics, and as a natural remedy. The roots are less commonly used but can be made into a paste or employed for their medicinal properties. Additionally, the bark and flowers of the moringa tree have their applications in traditional medicine. Now that we've thoroughly explored these 15 incredible benefits, let's discuss how to incorporate moringa into your daily routine. Moringa powder, add a teaspoon to your morning smoothies or oatmeal for a nutrient boost. Moringa tea, steep moringa leaves in hot water to create a soothing and nutritious tea. Moringa capsules, convenient for daily supplementation, ensuring you get your daily dose. Moringa oil, apply it topically to your skin and hair, or use it for cooking to harness its nutritional benefits. Moringa recipes, experiment with moringa in various recipes, such as soups, salads, and as a seasoning, to enjoy its unique flavor and nutritional advantages. As always, before introducing moringa to your diet, it is highly advisable to consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are pregnant. While moringa offers numerous benefits, individual reactions may vary. Moringa is undeniably a nutritional powerhouse with a plethora of health benefits supported by substantial research. We hope you found this video both enlightening and motivating. If you enjoyed it, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and hitting the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for my next video.